Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to add your food menu to your Google business profile. So I'm actually in process of creating my test business just to show you guys, and as you can see on the last or one of the latest steps of creating your food business, well of course if the food menu is being added it's a food business. I've just chosen a cafe for an example, and as you can see on the these steps we have add photos of your menu. So guys, there's actually two ways of adding your menu. First one is just filling it in the usual text form, and people will be able to browse it and see what you've got on offer. Or you can just take a picture of the menu itself, like a physical menu on paper, for example, as you can see in here, or something like this, and select it from your computer and upload it. And also guys, a small tip, or should I say probably not a small, a big tip, is that I recommend uploading a vertical photos. So just make a photo from your phone, because a lot of people are using their phones to search for dining places and some food places on the Google and stuff. So I just recommend taking the phone pictures vertically, so that when the person is on the phone, and many people are, they're not really on desktop or laptop, they have an easier way of actually reading what's inside of the menu. So as you can see, even the examples in here that are shown are vertical, so just make sure to choose a vertical photo, and just select the image and add it. Okay, so for example I will choose this photo, just a random photo from the internet, press on next, and you can add as many photos as you wish. Also you can see we have the dishes photo as well that you can add. Okay, so for example this is going to be the dish photo. This is going to be most likely a wide screen photo. Also make sure that it's professionally made, and we can skip that. That's just me setting up this test business. All right, and as you can see, soon when you verify your business, the customers will be able to see the menu. And because and this is just a test one, right? I can't see it, but the menu is still here. Just like I said, the second way is you can just create a menu from here, from scratch. As you can see, we can just section name, it's going to be a certain dish, for example, or a menu of a certain kind, then the item name, price, and description. And also you can add photos in here. So these are the two ways of adding your menu to your business, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.